Welcome my friend. Today we will learn how to create a professional gaming logo like this in 1 minute. We will enter this website from the link below the video in the description box. From here you can choose the right character for you. From here you can change the character colors as well as the background colors. From here you can change the name of the logo. From here you can change the font type. From here you can change the font color. Then click download from here and the logo will be uploaded in 2 copies, one with the background and one without it. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a good day. Note, you can use this site to help you sell this type of logo on some freelance platforms, such as the Fiverr platform, the Upwork platform, the Freelancer platform, others.